Today we will be waking up the body gently, so releasing any stiffness, residual from the night before, softening the low back. So if you have low back pain, this is a really great practice, but also creating space so that you can get your day started. We are going to start in a hero's position, or you can bring your big toes to touch and just keep your knees out wide. Just take a few breaths here. Draw the shoulders up towards the ears and down the back, palms face up. A few deep breaths. Gently open the eyes from here. Bring the knees as wide as the mat. Walk your hands forward. Bringing your chest and chin to the floor. Reaching through the fingertips. Finding nice length through the back. Space through each vertebra. Next inhale, lift the gaze. Walk your hands back in. Let's close the knees. Tuck the toes under. Send your hips back towards your heels and then bring your forearms to the floor. Take a few breaths here. Opening up through the back of the feet. If you'd like to add in a wrist stretch, you can turn your palms so your fingertips are pointing towards your knees. And then bearing a little bit more weight back onto your heels. Let's gently release. Stretch the arms out in front of you. Walk your knees back and come to lay down onto your belly. With your feet as wide as your mat, coming up onto your forearms. So we'll take a few around the world from here. Essentially, we're making a circle and we're lifting our forearms up off of the mat. So we're going to push into the right palm, lean to the left, right forearm lifts, and then push into your left palm, left arm, left forearm lifts. As you round to the right, right forearm comes down, left forearm comes down. A few more times. And remembering everything in the low back is nice and soft, so we're not squeezing the glutes. And let's switch directions. Pick up the left forearm. right, left comes down, right comes down. And on this final one, you can stay here in your Sphinx, or maybe you find a seal just for a few breaths. Feeling that nice stretch in the tummy, slight compression in the low back. And gently lower all the way down to the mat. Stack palm on palm. Just let the forehead rest. A few deep breaths into the low back. Gently lifting the gaze from here, bring your hands by your side, push yourself up, and we'll make our way to a seat. Let's bring the right shin in front of the left first. And from here, we're simply going to crawl forward, reaching over that right shin, allowing the head to drop, making sure your sit bones aren't lifting up off of the mat. Staying low as you walk all 10 fingertips over towards the left knee, reaching a little bit further with those right fingertips. Let's come back through center, walk ourselves back up, switch the crossing of the shin so the left shin comes in front, and then reach over your left shin. Let the head drop. Walking all 10 fingertips over towards the right knee, reaching a little bit further with your left fingertips. Let's gently come back through the middle, walk yourself all the way back up. From here, taking your hands to rest lightly onto your knees, and we're going to make some rib rotation. So normally we take the whole body and we make the circles, but today we're just isolating the rib cage. So we're going to start at the left. So essentially you're shifting your rib cage to the left, through the center to the right, and back. So everything is nice and still. The only thing moving is the rib cage. And we'll switch directions. And coming back through center. From here, extend your left fingertips out to the left and drop your right ear to your right shoulder. You open and close the jaw. Bringing the head back upright, left hand comes to the left knee, right fingertips come out beside you, drop your left ear to your left shoulder. And bringing the head back upright, right hand comes to the right knee. Let's take a nice big inhale, draw the shoulders up towards the ears. Exhale down the back. One more time, inhale. And exhale down the back. Taking a few moments here before you get the day started. About 5 breaths. And we'll be reading our blessing for today. If you're not sticking around, I do hope you enjoyed the practice. Our blessing for this week says, may you experience the rich blessings of community this week, both giving and receiving the gift of genuine fellowship. Nice big inhale. And sigh it out. Gently opening the eyes. I'm hopeful that you enjoyed this short but beneficial practice. As for the blessing, maybe we can share in the comments ways that we are coming together in community. You know that saying 2 is better than 1. So what are some things that you might do to fellowship with others in your community? And that is it for me. I will see you back here again shortly for another practice. Until then, enjoy your week ahead, and I will see you soon.